Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. She's hosting a 1,000 subscriber challenge. She is requesting an ATC card. The entries are due January 31st. I will link Carrie's channel down below so you can check out her video for all of the details. I have already moved into pulling out my Valentine's Day stash. I wasn't able to get all my Christmas cards out, so if you didn't receive a Christmas card from me, I'll be sending you a Valentine's Day card. So this is the theme and the card that I decided to send Carrie. I am sending flat mail. I made a little pocket here for some of the die cuts. I am going to be sharing just a couple of cute Valentine's Day die cuts that hopefully she will be able to use in her projects. We have the love and a little banner and a couple of hearts. I also put a clear sleeve in here for the ATC card. This is the ATC card that I've created. It's so super cute. I love these little cactus. I did put some of my information on the back. I am also gifting her some fun Valentine's Day colors of my dewdrops. I do have several sets of the Christmas dewdrops available, and I will be releasing probably a new color sometime in February. I will also be doing an update on my dewdrop and my challenges, and that is my entry for Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. Please stop by her channel. She does so many fun giveaways and she shows lots of hauls and crafty projects. Thank you all for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.